When we first start LilySpeech, we'll see the settings window. It has basic instructions for its use here, and down below various settings to change the way it works and looks. We'll come back to this in a minute. Just want to show you this in action. I have a Google document open. This could be anything. It could be Microsoft Word, it could be an email, it could be a Google search, instant message, anywhere you would normally type. To start, I press the Launch tab. As I speak, you can see the text output here in the preview window, period, new paragraph. I can continue now on a new line, period. So you can see it respected when I said new paragraph. I can say things like new line, period, exclamation mark, question mark, all that sort of thing. And let's customize this a bit. Let's say I don't want to see the launch tab. I can hide that. Now we will start using the hotkey, which is default Control D. And let's say I don't want the preview window. Let's have the text preview by my mouse. So now I'm going to press Control D on my keyboard to start with dictation. Now I can see the text preview here by my mouse cursor, period. So that works quite seamlessly, and for many people will be less invasive. We can also, of course, change the language we're dictating in. And you want to make sure you have the right region, because there are multiple regions for English and Spanish. You can change the hotkey if you want it to be something other than Control D, or if Control D is already in use by some other application. You can switch your microphone, and we do recommend a headset microphone, although many laptop microphones work great as well. You can change the way text is sent into the application. The default is paste. Type is slightly slower, but works in any sort of situation where paste created some sort of problem. You can change dictation modes. So if you wanted it to be caps, all caps, or title case, or lowercase, or if you wanted to switch to numbers only, which is great for things like Excel sheets. You can also customize words. So for instance, if you had, say, a spouse or a child with an unusual spelling and it constantly was getting it wrong with the more common spelling, you can come in here and dictate the way that name will be spelled, and it'll come out correct every time. This settings window can be closed at any point, and we get a message here saying that it's running down here in the tray, so I can still continue without any kind of invasive windows. Just anytime I want, just press the hotkey to get started. And I hope you have enjoyed this demonstration of LilySpeech, smiley face.